Hi guys, another video by MTech Pro. Samsung Electronics has developed and mass-produced a high-speed image sensor capable of shooting up to 1000 photos in 1 second. It is possible to implement images such as slow motion, which is used for judging the nausea in professional baseball. It is expected that it will be useful for video shooting, where the movement of objects such as golf swing posture should be closely observed. As for specifications, the Galaxy S9 concept features a 5.7-inch 4K display, and a Snapdragon 845 Exynos processor by market. With 6 and 8GB RAM options, 64GB and 128GB internal storage options, 4200 mAh battery, dual 16-megapixel cameras on the back and dual 8-megapixel cameras on the front. A powerful GPU with clock speeds as high as 900 MHz, with 32 texels/clock 4 trilinear texture filtering, and a clock boost of 10% under high loads. On the camera front, the concept runs the latest version of Android, has a 3.5mm audio jack and costs between $900 minus $1,000. Additionally, the Galaxy S9 concept presupposes that Samsung will build the fingerprint scanner into the display, eliminating the need for a rear-mounted scanner. The concept phone also lacks a charging port, as wireless charging will be the new standard mode of charging the battery on the S9. Considering the Galaxy S8 launched in April 2017, we likely won't see the Galaxy S9 until March 2018 at the earliest. But with all of the leaks we've seen this year, we might know more about the Galaxy S9 long before Samsung expects us to. To date, we do not know at all what path the Korean manufacturer will take for the Galaxy S9. In our opinion, this concept brings a clever and accessible solution to make evolve a design that has marked the spirits. And what do you think about this 3D concept? Thank you for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe, share it if you liked.